Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the Audio-Tech YouTube channel, and today we have a bigger item today. Well, it's not too big, it'll be on the table here in a minute, but we've got a big box. Came in a big box, took my address and stuff off already, so don't worry about that. So, Now today guys, we have a pair of Audio-Technica M20x's. Alright, let's get her on the table. Alright guys, and now just gonna unbox the headphones here. I've never bought a pair of Audio-Technica headphones before, so it's my first time ever unboxing one of their products. Oh, here's the little bit of kind of stiff because it's the first time. There we go. What a presentation for a pair of $50 headphones, man. Books. Here's your main units, your headphones here. Got some cardboard. Looks environmentally friendly. It's probably biodegradable, I don't know. But yeah, that's about it for the box, so straight to the headphones. I have no idea how to take this plastic off, guys, so just bear with me, man. First Audio-Technica unboxing here. Now guys, I plan on buying more of these headphones. If these ones, the entry-level ones, are good enough for me, if they sound good, then I'm going to probably end up going for the M20x BT, the Bluetooth version, because ooh, the cable already feels pretty nice. Feels real premium for a pair of $50 headphones. Damn. Like I said, guys, sorry for the time. Okay. Ah. Alright, here you go, guys. First look at them. Now, they're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be, which is good. Got big ass, yeah, they got cushiony ear cups, big cushiony ear cups. They stretch. Ooh, yeah, dang. Oh, yeah, I like that. Yeah guys, this is my new pair of studio headphones. Just if you didn't know, I don't have any other headphones right now besides these. These are my only pair of headphones, guys, and if you guys know, these are the Crushers 360. No, 360s. These are just the Crusher wireless. I just need to upgrade the sound quality of it, so here you go. So I got my bass headphones now for my music, and I got these headphones for my editing and other video work. So guys, hope you all enjoy this unboxing, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.